Okay, we are now live. Everything had its own little problem, so I had to fix it. But I'm pretty sure I solved it. We're good, right? Yeah? Okay, we are now live. Everything. Yeah, we're good. Okay, we're good. Let me get everything set up real quick. Look at these charts real quick. Okay. We're pretty much set up. Everything. Live chat. Okay, for those of if anyone watches this when it goes up on my YouTube channel, not so much joining the live stream because I don't expect people to join the live stream. I just like doing these just so you guys see what's going on. And if you're, I watch a lot of professional traders, and they don't, I mean, maybe I'm not tuning in enough, but I just don't really notice whenever they're live streaming or whenever they're posting like raw videos of profits. So I really want to be able to do that, and I want to find my niche. And maybe this could be my niche, just live streaming trades, showing you guys profits, showing you guys the opposite of profit, which would be going negative in an account. Yeah. I have no plan as of what to do. Hopefully this doesn't show my bank statements. I don't think it would. Nah, it wouldn't. Okay. So this was a trade I was taking part into yesterday. Overall, we saw price consolidating heavy around this area. And I guess it just broke through. I saw that it wanted to break, and then it had this nice railroad, bullish railroad, and just spiked back up. So you move on. I think I did like, I don't know how much I risked on that trade, but anyways, moving on. Haven't really traded this week. I've been more so focused on other things, such as life. What did that do? Price really trying to keep that. But yeah, I have no plan on what markets I want to buy into today. So this is literally a super raw, kind of unplanned. I was just bored and wanted to trade. So if you're watching, it's gonna be extremely chill. What's going on? Okay. I could keep that. Yeah, this is an extreme price zone. We'll do that on an earlier chart, honestly. Okay, now we go on the weekly. Look at what the market's doing overall. Just a retest of this trend line. Could possibly break this. I don't think it's going to break it, but if it comes close, which it is. Yeah, overall, just price has just been rejected right here, so we definitely need to put in a line. We'll look at this on the 4-hour. If this looks proper on the 4-hour and it doesn't look too sketchy, then we'll honestly we'll raise this a little bit. I might get into a sell trade on this. This actually looks really good. Price hit right here, came down slowly. Yeah, we can get on. We can get in this trade. We can set our stop loss at around right here. Yeah, we'll just keep going down and seeing what this looks like. Price is really trying to keep at this though. I did something right there. I don't know. Rejection, rejection, rejection. Safe to say, price respects this enough to get rejected that hard. Are we on the 4-hour? Okay, yes, we are on the 4-hour. So whenever I'm on the 4-hour, I can mark major support and resistance zones, such as... Dude, what is this that is playing? Move on. Okay, 4-hour, we got that going. Got this going. Honestly, this could be a zone. Yeah, we'll make this a zone. Well, we'll go on the... Anything else that I need to pay attention to? What would our sell take profit be? Our sell take profit could be around right here, and we'll mark this as yellow, or we'll mark this as green as money. So we'll take that, take profit at around right here, or take profit if I want to do it. If I want to do it fast, we could do it right here. Why right here? Price just spiked extremely around these areas. So boom, then you got the boom, and then you got the boom. Honestly, we could take this all the way down here. So yes, the reason why I'm taking profits at around right here, I'm on the 4-hour chart. This is when price spiked. This is when price spiked. This is when price spiked. No more, no less. Boom. Okay, yes. So now we go on the 1-hour, and we look for any other types of inquiries. Should have erased it. I don't think it's gonna take it to this yellow. That's so far. And price is already getting rejected at around this area. Price is shaky, but price is certain that it gets rejected at around this area. So I could get a sell trade at around right here. Let's just see what this does. We should get the other one. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? That's a ray. Oh god. Who would use that? Let's see what happened at around right here. If that's where our stop loss needs to be. If price got rejected at around here again in the past, then we'll get a stop loss at above there. Yeah, price got rejected around right here. If we can get a good entry, that'd be beautiful. See, this is what I'm talking about. Rejection, rejection, rejection. Honestly, price might get rejected again right here. We could go into a trade with a drawdown of maybe $4, but I don't know if we want to do that. I might wait for an entry. Look at what price is doing right here. Why is that so thick? Yeah, if price breaks this, if price can break this, then I don't know what to tell you. We're just gonna watch. If we can get an entry at around right here, that'd be fine. I'll take this entry. If price breaks this, well, no. Okay, so this is the plan. If price were to not break this and come down, we would wait and watch what price is doing. At that point, this is going to be our entry. if price breaks this, we will get into the market at around right here. We will get into a sell trade, okay? But if price were to break this and come down, we would wait for price to break this, retest this level, because right here it got rejected, In the past, it got rejected at around somewhere over there. But relevantly right now, this is where price is getting rejected. If price breaks this, comes up, does not succeed to go up here, come down, we would get entry at around right here and bite the bullet if that does not succeed. If that comes down and then goes back up, well, I guess we'll take the loss on it, but we're looking at around maybe, I mean, I'm going to have to risk 1%, which is $4 at around right there, which is okay. Honestly, a successful trade from this market would have to be to the first green. That would be our this would be our take profit. And this is what the trade would look like. It's right above there so we don't get hit. 5.5. That's more than a 1.3, but that's where my take profit is set at the moment. Let me see. Yeah, that's going to be our first take profit at around right there. So we're going to have to risk 1%. I don't know how much that's going to be. Oh God. Okay. Sorry guys. Well, we can just write one. I'm being dumb. Okay, 1%, and that'd be a $20 gain. Now that's extremely small. That is way too small for me. Okay, $21 off of this humongous move. I don't want to do that. This market is... We're gonna have to fix this. This is why it's so expensive. We would have to see if price would want to come up here and then get rejected. I'm looking at around like this type of trade. We can get on a market like this. We can risk a lot more money because the spread on that is ridiculous. Not allowing me to make any money. 1%, $48. That's a little better. If we can get a tighter stop loss, like right here, tight stop loss, better money, less risk of losing the money. But you would have to be for sure going to get entry. So I would get like around here. There we go. $71. I would do this trade. $71 is a good trade for this type of environment. But risking $4 on this small of a move would have to mean I have to get a proper entry. Proper entry would mean good timing. I can't just hop in it whenever, so we're gonna see what price is doing. So this is our first market. We're gonna be trading AUD USD, and we'll wait for this. Let me hop on my phone real quick. I changed my Snapchat name to Forex, Forex. That'd be sick. What do I need to do? Oh yeah, see what types of signals are out if anyone's posting anything. So at 11:58 they posted. What market is this? USD CAD. Dang, they got a good trade on USD CAD. I'm looking at some signals on my phone. Jeez, that's crazy. 90 pips. Oh, I should have been looking at this. Dang, I'm stupid, dude. Oh, man, I could have easily gotten that. Oh, dang, that sucks. Let's check out the fib on this. So the fib would have to go around the lowest low, take into the Love that. Okay. One. Okay, we're still on the hour. How does this look on the 5 minute? Jeez. We're trying to get entries on the 1 hour. Let's look at this on the 15. Lower low. Ticker like this. Around there. Okay. Yeah, price hit, came back up. Price hit, came back up. Price hit, came back up. Jolty right there, came back up. Hit. Yeah, that's decent. I mean, we could go down to the wick of that. We could go down to the lower low of this wick, and then it's proper around right there. Okay, yeah, that looks a little better, I guess. The fit, it's not really respecting the fib, but I could be placing it wrong at the same time. I'm not really patient with that. 5 minutes. This is humongous. Jeez. Okay. That's why I'm getting such a low spread on this humongous trade that I'm taking. Look at that. Yes, plan still sets. Just waiting. It's not shaky at all. It's doing, has energy. Nice. Okay, so we're gonna have to get into another market as well. We can lower the spread on this. I mean, if really price wanted to come up here, we could get a nice 1%, 1.5, 133. Yeah, I would much rather do this. If I can get a tight entry like that, that'd be beautiful. That'll be key. Okay, so we'll place that when due time comes. That'll probably be another hour or so. Because it's getting rejected here and there. Okay, alright, let's get into some other markets. So that took about, I don't know, 15 minutes setting that up? They're on USD CAD. Let's look at USD CAD. Yep, they hit this real well. Jeez. I should have been trading earlier. I was asleep. Yeah, right there, went down. It's literally doing exactly what it did in the past. Look at how even, or almost even that is, at least. Okay. Yeah, I don't think we can get into USD CAD anymore. They've already hit that. It's all hell. Maybe we can get back into it. It looks like it's still getting rejected with the dojis. With the dogs. I wouldn't count on this going down still, but it looks like it's pretty much not coming back. Price said zoom, boom, boom. Boom. Came down, went up, boom. Price has a chance to do that again. This is disgusting though. I wouldn't trade this just because of this. Just all that is gross. If we could break out of this, then boy oh boy. Yeah, price needs to leave this circle before I even consider it. Before I even considered getting into this trade. But if it does, we'll wait for it to go up, and then we'll get an entry on that maybe. Prices coming up right here. We're probably gonna get an entry at around, because we can't get into this trade. Price has a high chance of coming up to here and then going down. Now that we're on the 5-minute, we can really see what's going on. Well, it's not gonna let us because it doesn't allow me to go farther than a few hours apparently. Now that we're on, well, we'll go on the 15-minute, I guess. Now that we're on the 15, price has came up to here and then came down. So we may have to wait and see what's going on. We are far from that line though. If we were to wait until we get to purple, that's going to be a few hours at the most. Coming all the way up to here is going to take a few hours. But the payout's going to be beautiful. And we can get more money if we were to not only risk. I mean, I'm only risking 1% because that's $4. Of course, that's 1% of 398. That's extremely low risk for $133. That's great payout, but the distance is far, and I would have to hold that for like 2 days or so. But that's intraday. That's neither here nor there. But USD CAD is also looking really good. Again, if it breaks this circle, we'll get into a sell trade and take it to the yellow, I guess. I don't really want to get into this trade. There's not much I know about this, but some people that I know were hitting that up, so we'll get into another one. This is just a watch. Let's see, breaks yellow, go to yellow. Breaks yellow, go to yellow. Cool, that's set. Probably get into USD try. USD try is always doing something funky. Look at that spike. Straight consolidation. Ugly. I hate that. I dislike that a lot. On the monthly it looks so great, like, but recently it's just been nasty. It is coming around a major support and resistant line. Wait, that's not even a major. That's probably on the weekly or something, or the daily. Oh god, what am I doing? These are just unrelevant lines, guys. I'm sorry if you're saying this. This is embarrassment. Oh yeah, we were waiting for this to hit, so maybe it'll hit today. Who knows? This consolidation is telling me it's gonna go down. It's curious on what it's doing. It's just constantly backlashing itself, like it hates itself. Moving on, we'll probably do CAD Swiss. Nah, consolidation straight. Let's look at for another monthly. Okay, we're breaking our. Well, this isn't really relevant anymore. This has to go up to here. We are fully sending this. If you're asking me, if you wonder why I'm not getting into a buy trade on this, I'm not too sure if it's going to keep going up. I don't want to get into something that I'm not planned for. I'm planned for it to go down, not up. Regardless, We're just waiting. My time will come. Market tells me when to come in. Okay, so we are seeing a nice downtrend. That is really nice. Again, breaks yellow. If it breaks yellow, then we wait for it to go green. And once it goes green, we'll wait for it to see if it comes up to this level. If it comes up to this level, then we'll get into the trade at a sell. Okay? That's the plan. Well, this isn't the plan for it to come up to yellow. The plan is for it to hit yellow, or come near yellow, and then that's my entry. I'm not gonna buy a market that's expensive. NZD CAD. Oh Jesus, that's embarrassing. So many lines. Those lines are not relevant. They're only relevant on the 15. I'm sorry. I mean, they're only relevant on like different time frames. So I don't think I'm using those on the monthly. Those are for different time frames. Okay, we got major support and resistance right here as well. Perfect. Right here too. Wow, look at that spike down. I'm only marking this because look at that. Boom. I don't even know how many pips that is. That's probably like 1,000,000 pips. I don't even know. 2,000 pips? Jeez. I don't know how that roller works. Pretty sure it works like that. I don't know. Let's see what else we can get into in this market. This looks profitable. I'm going on an uptrend. Hit the spike. Rejected right here. Spike this out real quick. That's rejection. Straight rejection. Can we write something on this line? Price failed right here. Okay, let's go on the weekly. See what we doing. Oh wow, that was really relative. Oh, I thought I clicked the 15-minute. I was about to say, what the heck is that? Anyways, moving on. Let's go to daily. Consolidation on the daily. Price is confused. What is it gonna do? Apparently it's going to use this consolidation zone as a means of a breakout, which is fine, I guess. Price still got rejected right here. All this push didn't matter because it just repeated it right. Look at that wick. That would be depressing. To get into this market and thinking you're going to go into a swift downtrend, next thing you know, you get shot all the way back up. Regardless, if you had a proper stop loss, you could have profited off this anyways. But most people would have been emotionally struck by seeing this go down and then up. Why are we talking about a random candle? I don't know. That's how invested I am into this business. The Forex lifestyle. I'm extremely catered to. Shut up. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. Moving on. This market is in an uptrend to this line. I don't know why it doesn't say this right now. Okay, yeah, price failed to hit this line. Okay. Price failed right here. Price failed to go down, so we go up. And I guess I'm not going to get into a buy trade to this line. I mean, I could, but I'm not too sure of it going up there. I'm only sure of it coming down. That's the issue. So this is pretty much useless to me. But for later, we'll write a note, I guess. 40. Okay. Price has a chance of hitting its top at the P. Okay. So we'll look at this in like, what is that? A month? I don't know. NZD CAD has honestly been trash to me. But anyways, I don't think there's any more markets that I'm interested in, to be honest. Unless I get a random signal. Oh, that's beautiful. I don't even know when I mark this. Hold on. What do we have here? What do we have here? Uptrend. There's only one support and resistance line. Okay, price got rejected around right here. Honestly, this isn't even relevant. We'll put that right there. Yeah, that looks good. And this isn't really proper either. Fix that. Just like that. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. Now this is better. I don't know what that is. Weekly. For it to be in an uptrend like that, it's pretty still bait. There's not much movement going on. I mean, oh my god, dude, if you were to get in this in 2000, there's no way you would know. Like, there's no way you can find that out. That's straight up just rigged for, like, banks. The banks know everything, but they're not my enemy. You have no enemies, you have no stress, and that's how you trade, with no stress. Look at that uptrend, though. I love this market when it comes down to it. Straight up, if you put a stop loss right here, it would have never touched that until now. I mean, not until now, I'm just saying in general. Pips on this thing is enormous. Okay, but yeah, price should come down here in order for me to get into the trade. If price comes down here, then I could get into a trade for buy. This is actually really interesting. Going for buy trade. Sorry, my mic is in the way, so it makes me buy trade when purple. P. Per market, it's P. Okay, yeah, I'm down for that. Sorry, I had to think about it a little bit. What am I gonna do? Yeah, if price comes down, this is honestly gonna take a minute, but if price comes down, which it probably will, honestly, I don't know, because price isn't really too sure either. This is consolidation. This is consolidation pretty much. And this is extreme consolidation. So if price can break this, then we got a strong hope. That's straight up consolidation though, so we're gonna have to wait on that. What is this, dude? Why are you showing me ads, man? Okay. Oh, look at that. Price got immediately rejected. That's crazy. Right at that line, like I said. We might get into a buy trade. Yeah, okay, so this is a good time to get into the trade. We'll risk $2 on this maximum drawdown. We'll have a little bit more. How much would $2 be? Now we have to risk our 4. Yeah, we can risk 4 on this. I enjoy this trade. That looks profitable, honestly. For us to get into this trade, I have to be willing. Yeah, I could lose $4 on this. That's straight. And then if it fails, we'll get a re-entry at the purple. Huh. I feel like I should have a wider stop loss. I want a wider stop loss, but I'll make it to where I get less of a payout. Yeah, we'll get a wider stop loss, and we'll make this 1%. How much would that give me? We're only working with so much money here, guys. Sorry. $4 even, 1% even. That's way better. I feel way safer doing this, and we might have a drawdown on this. If price is shaky in here, I don't really feel safe, but we'll do like this. How about that? If we can get a nice entry at around right here, 1% of my account, There we go. Boom. We'll get an entry right here. What are we on, the 15 minute? What are we looking like on the 5 minute? We'll get an entry right here. That's beautiful, guys. If this fails and this breaks this line, because I made it to where I want it to breathe right here, because of course price will breathe and we'll have a drawdown. But if price immediately gets rejected like it did back here, which I'm not saying I hope, because you're not supposed to have hope. I'm saying if it does, that's the best thing that could happen. I'm totally expecting this thing to breathe though, because all this consolidation, before it had this consolidation, but it had to rise up. Right now we had a little bit of consolidation and we had a Maribosa, almost a Maribosa candle rising up. Now we're seeing a railroad to the downside. Basically, I'm prepared for this to fail. Not that big of a deal. Moving on, this market. Okay, we're doing exactly what we said. Okay, this is great. If you guys are watching this, you'll see how intellectual I am, you could say. I'm such a freaking nerd. I hate I'm joking. Okay. We're gonna wait for this to come up. Like I said, wait for it to go green. I said breaks yellow, go to yellow. If this goes up, breaks yellow. It didn't break yellow, but it's about to. I didn't plan on making the yellow so perfect like I did. I mean, just skill. We'll wait. And once this, yeah, we'll just wait for this. Oh, my back hurts sitting on a chair. I hope you guys are good. I hope you guys are all healthy and taking care of yourselves at this time. Make sure you guys are drinking tea. Add a little bit of black pepper to your tea and some black seed. Super good for you. Okay, price did have a breakout at around right here, so we could see a rejection. This would be a really good entry for us. An entry for this market would have to be around right here. I don't want to take it to the yellow because it's going to be way too much risk, and if price were to have a drawdown up here, I don't want that. That's the last thing I want, but it looks like price is going to get rejected at around right here. We had consolidation. I mean, we had a big move at around right here, and we had a big we had like an even lesser drawdown, but we will take this to the yellow. Jesus, I don't think I could take this to the yellow. If we were to take this to the yellow, that'd be crazy. That would just be straight up crazy. We'll take it to a 1.4. How about that, guys? Does that sound fair to this market? Markets aren't fair to us, but we'll be fair to them. That's what we're looking at right there. That type of entry. Okay, that's why we don't go into trades, guys. We wait for it to get fully rejected on a new candle. Now, of course, price could be faking us out right now, and it could, because look what it did right here too. It wicked up. You would think this price was about to go up, but price went down. Little price action for you right here. Railroad, false railroad actually. False railroad again. A little price action for you. Be prepared for anything. If this were to come up to here, if this comes up to here, damn, that's a thick line, like I said. If price comes up to here and I see it getting rejected, we're getting into this trade. Bingo. Just like that. That's beautiful. That's a nice trade for you. And we'll risk 0.5%. Which will be less money, but oh, let's see what this is doing. All right. Price got rejected at around right here. We have 2 minutes on this candlestick. We're on the 15-minute chart. We have 2 minutes on this candle. If price can proceed to just stay like that, that would be a beautiful price action in the making. We're just waiting on this now. Oh, guys, look at what price is doing. Look at that. Price is going up, and we have 2 minutes for this to get rejected and come back down to this line. I doubt it's going to do that, but if it does do that in the split time that it has, that's crazy. That's a good indication that we should get into this market at around right here. I'm not actually going to take it to that point. That's too risky. Look at this dude. Oh yeah? Steady income, that's crazy. Residual income, that's crazy. Passive income, that's crazy. LLCs, they're crazy. I love Forex. Oh yeah, this isn't important, I forgot. Wait, where were we gonna take this, guys? I don't even remember. Going for a buy trade when market hits purple. Okay, good thing I wrote that. I completely forgot. That looks good. Price got rejected. Let me shut up before I jinx it. Let me see the live stream. Cool. Okay. Oh, guys, look at that. Price got rejected. 2 seconds on a new candle. Can we go Can we go into a bearish candle real quick? I'd rather a bearish candle than a... What would you call that? A spinning top? Ooh. If price... Oh, that's a really good setup for me to join. Okay. That's really good. I might get into this trade. Yeah, I might get into this trade with a $2. Just in general, just a $2 risk. Or dollar risk. Ooh, we can risk $1. For $15? No, that's trash. Oh, they're being loud. Sorry, guys. $1. They're acting crazy out there. Okay, we might do $1. Hold on, I'm gonna mute my mic for a second. Sorry, guys, too much noise going on. But we are back with my... Okay. Price broke. We'll get out of this at... Sorry, guys, too much noise going on. Price ended up not doing what we wanted it to, so we'll probably get out of this trade any second now, honestly. We really just have to wait for price action to happen. As well as we'll look at this trade in a second, see if we got rejected, see if it was an actual reversal. See, I thought this was going to be, let me look it up. I don't want to mess up the term of the candlestick. I thought that was going to be an evening star, guys. An evening star. Bearish. Still has a chance of doing that, but the fact that it wicked up like that, I don't really like that. That makes it to where it's less powerful and it has less energy. Yeah, price could easily come back up and breathe. It did get extremely rejected at this area though. How are we looking on the 5 minute? Yeah, the 5 minute had a consecutive 3 crows or whatever you would call that. But right here, we did see price going down, then we had a doji. So I'm not saying that price is going to do exactly what it does in the past, but price is always doing something off of previous happenings, I guess. I don't know if we're going to stay in this trade. I'm not really liking this setup anymore. It's making me feel a little awkward. I feel like I'm stuck. We might get out at 60 cents again because I don't see this. 59 seconds on this. This could still fold back up. Say zoom, 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 zoom. Never know what price wants to do, man. Anything. Can happen. A wise book once told me that anything can happen, which is extremely true. Anything can happen. So yeah, we're seeing an evening star in action, guys, live coming at you. This is an evening star, I would say. As pretty as it is, it's not really anything too special. I'm gonna keep this circle up just because. Yeah, so now we just chill and sit back. You can play video games. Ooh, we can play video games if we wanted to. We're already in 2 trades. If we lose those, I'll probably go for one more today and then hop off. I don't really want to risk everything. Yeah, price is going up. Ooh, I don't like seeing that. An immediate price rejection. If price breaks up to... Okay. Yeah, it's gonna breathe, but I don't like the way it's coming in so hot. That's Maribosa right there. I'm also gonna be reading some new books. The books I'm gonna be reading are Market Wizard, Candlestick Bible, Naked Forex, and The Intelligent Investor. Those are the books that I'm interested in. If you guys are interested in books, you guys should look those up or buy a copy for yourself. They're really, really good books. But price did get, we might keep saying that, honestly. We could get a better entry at this market, though, if it were to keep going up. Honestly, if we can get an entry at right here, I would close. I mean, I'm not going to close out this trade, though. We already set our risk in stone. Price is getting rejected at around right here, as expected. How long does it take to get a winner, guys? Super chill. Yeah, we're in drawdown in both our trades. Honestly, I'm gonna let those ride. Why not? You know, we're risking $4 here, $1.29 here, around $5.29 today. Not bad at all. That's not even. I mean, that's probably like 1.1% of my account. I'm fine with that. Gotta do what you gotta do. $20 sub goals. 20 subs. Can we get to 20 subs? So for right now, we're kind of just gonna chill out and watch these trades form. If they end up failing, that's okay. I'm expecting it. Yeah, we're just watching these prices get finagled. I guess you can call it that. I wish there was a way. I want to figure out a way to switch screens like this to my tablet, because I usually just play games on my tablet whenever I'm trading. I'm gonna move the mic a little bit to this side because the wire's in the way. Yeah, maybe there's a way I could do that. That'd be really fun. You guys could just watch me play Brawl Stars. Something. This whole server is teaming with each other. Again, hope you guys are doing well. Love y'all. Okay, so price got rejected at around right here. I don't see why, but things happen. Random things come up. We might see a drawdown right now. May go up to our line. Get rejected. If this breaches anymore, I might get out this trade. I honestly, I should have got out this trade a minute ago. I wasn't paying attention. Yeah, we'll get out this trade in a minute. I don't know. It looks like it's respecting this line. It's getting rejected. I don't know, man. Maybe we should just keep this. I'm not gonna say it's only $1, but guys, it's $1. It's $1.29. That I really shouldn't be losing. I have a small account, guys. I'm sorry. $400 at the least. Super itsy bitsy. What are we seeing? Okay, so price is going down on this chart. Price is going up on this chart. I think we just I think we just hit a rock wall, guys. Either way, I think I'm gonna lose one of these trades. Yeah, price went down. Price went up. Price is going down. Price getting rejected. Yeah, we'll hop out this trade. If this breaks this line again, we'll hop out this trade. If this is really congruent to each other, we should have compared it and used the index. It's fine. I don't want to get out this trade and then see. See, this is the type of psychology I'm talking about, guys. Not getting out your trade soon enough is just gonna kill you. I don't want to be in this trade anymore. So I'm out. I might not even pay attention to it. Honestly, if this doesn't keep going up, then I don't know if this market is going to work anymore. Because right as this got rejected, this got rejected. Whoa. What is it talking about? 3 candles, 3 candles. I'm tripping myself out. Doesn't make sense. Anyways, this is still... I'll run this all night. I'll run this through the night. Price may just, you know, hit my stop loss, and then maybe, you know, Forex people will just send it to my actual goal. Maybe that'll happen in the middle of the night, and then maybe it'll hit my stop loss and then go all the way down. It's happened before. It has happened too many times. Let me tell you. If there is something I needed to learn, it's stop loss and more psychology and more of everything. Yeah. Boop. Beautiful. That's not really a trend line. I'm just saying in general. That should be going down.
Want to play that song you love?
No, I don't. I don't want to play a song I love.
We have official songs.
What is this? It's going to lo-fi. Super slow day, guys. Super slow day. Yeah, but when this is going down, this is going up. We could get a new entry on this. What do we say, $100 on this trade? Long ways to go. What do you guys think of this trade? I don't think it's... good thing we got out this market. I really don't trust this now that I see that this was congruent to it. Like, I don't see this going any more up than what it should. Yeah, I don't know. We might get a new entry on this. I don't really like this trade. Because the fact of this is going up and this is going down. Let's just compare. Why not? What symbol is that? USD CAD. Since price is going down, this should go up, right? I'm not really too wise on what's it called? Indexes. This would be an index, I'm assuming. I guess they don't match. I don't know, man. I'm kind of just overthinking it. Again, psychology. Seeing one market do well and then seeing another one. Who knows? looking back now, guys. Look at that. Ooh, look at that, guys. We would have got stopped out on this trade. Good thing we dropped out. Alright, so these prices are very congruent to each other. We may see a rejection whenever it hits this, and I'm honestly scared of this key to keep going down. Overall, this kept going up as this kept going down. So, yeah, we might get out of this trade sooner than we thought. But we have a good position as of right now. Yeah, so price is getting rejected, price is getting rejected. Honestly, I want to take my profits just so I can not trade this market, because now that I see what's going on with this market, I don't really want to trade it. Price gets rejected right here. I don't know, man. Things happen in the market. Let it ride. All right, guys. Update. We are watching these markets. I'm really curious on what's gonna happen if price is to break this market. Just as a recap, this market is congruent with this market. So whenever this market goes down, this market goes up. I expected this market to keep going down, and I got into a sell trade and lost 40 cents on this market already. So I'm seeing it hit this. Once it hits this, I'm curious on if we're gonna have a breakout to the upside. If price gets extremely rejected right here, we're gonna have to take our profits and get a retest of this level at around right here. Or I may think about it a little longer and stay in this trade. I don't know what I want to do, to be honest. But price did get rejected at a major level right here with 3 white soldiers or 3 crows, whatever you call that price action. Yeah, we're honestly just chilling. As we expected. Price did get rejected right here. Did price go down? I didn't even see price go down. Did you guys see price go down? I didn't. Let me replay that on my stream. Oh wow, price did go down. Jeez. Okay, price went down apparently. That means it may go down even more. If it did that early. Oh. Let's just see what it's doing. I don't know. Honestly, I don't feel comfortable trading this whenever it's right here. Because I wanted to take it this far, guys. Like, I wanted to take it far, guys. Like, all the way down there. But now that I'm seeing that, it's like, whoa, man, what am I doing? It's still going up. Know what I mean? I'm curious. Should I buy me a watcher in the aquarium? Yeah, the price is still getting turned over on its neck. Have to wait and see. Honestly, I might just leave this stream up and let you guys watch this all night. I can leave this up all night. It's whatever. That would be kind of cool to see this, see what happens on this. And just get up at 6 or something, trade some more. What day is it tomorrow? Is it Tuesday or Friday? It's gonna be Wednesday. I mean Thursday. Okay. Nice. Yeah, I might get up early tomorrow. Probably trade some London. I don't know. Trading London just sounds mad cool. It's not what the hype is, what it's supposed to be. Price did hit that zone. We might take profits, guys. Again, if you don't feel comfortable in the market, if there's any reason for you to get out of a trade, don't do it. Just in general, this just makes me feel queasy. Seeing two markets, such volume. 50 seconds on this candle. We're going to see it break, hopefully. If this does end up breaking, we might drop out of this trade. Again, if this is... Here's the deal. If price were to break this, because these two are congruent, we're in this trade for... Now we're up almost $3. If this price gets rejected at around right here, we're going to see it heavy on this chart. And this is already doing such a mad spike. So since this has so much energy on the downtrend, we're going to see a heavy comeback with the uptrend. We might even see it just break our stop. I don't know. But this just does not look good to me. Yeah, we're honestly just waiting. This was all consolidation, so it may consolidate around here. We're just going to wait and see what happens. And that's all we're really waiting for. Is just... Dang, why is it stuck on the pen? Okay, we're seeing still an uptrend. Most likely get rejected at around right here as well. Jeez, that looks so stupid. We're just waiting, guys. Stupid boring. Okay, yeah. Oh yeah, this is what is this? Default line. This is just a comparison of what this market is. Yeah, rejection. Okay, so we're gonna see an uptrend. Oh, okay, that could be bad. We might hop out this trade, honestly. If that was supposed to be a morning star. If price ended like that with a long doji to the upside, we might get a strong bullish trend to the upside. Hey, price is still breaking. Jeez, why did I even put that there? Like, look at those wicks. Damn. Those wicks are wild. Price has broken trend before and got immediately rejected, so I'm not gonna say that. How far are we on this? So to the yellow line. We're 87 bars away from the yellow line. Right here we got around 62. So we're the farthest we've ever been from the yellow line. Okay, so we're hitting our major support and resistance. We're hitting our major resistance right now. We may see a downtrend. We may see a push to the downtrend as we are getting rejected as I'm speaking about this. But we do have 1 minute on this candle, so we can see a nice reversal on this, or we may see another jump down like we did at around right here. We may see another drawdown at around right here. We may see price do like this a little bit. Why is this set like this? Like, stop, please. How do I push this back? Like that, yeah. It's not doing that. Oh my god. Jeez, dude. What did I do to this? then I don't know what to do about that anymore. Anyways, this is what we're probably going to expect to see. You may see it come back up here and then get rejected again, depending on what price wants to do at this line. Again, we are 20 seconds on this. If this touches and closes right there, we may see a rejection and may see proper price action in the making and get a full-on rejection at this level. So we're just gonna see. Right now we're breaking with a long wick to the upside. That's a good sign. That means buyers are coming in hard. I want to see that. We're closing in 1, 2. Okay, we have now closed on this candle. We should see price rejection if it wants to. It's going to be sharp if it does, though. It's going to be very sharp if it gets rejected right now. Also, we can see a fake out of this line. Price could reject right here, come up, close right here, and then get rejected again. It's all just waiting to. Okay, so yeah, we're seeing rejection, strong rejection, and we may see price action at this line, like we said. Again, our take profit is far, so I don't want to see this. I think this is false. This might be false. This isn't reacting as strong as it should compared to this, so it may be false. Yep, it was false. Called it. I called it. That's crazy. Things happen. I don't want to see this. I think this is false. Oh wait, I'm looking at it on my phone. That was so funny. Uh-huh. Yep, it was false. Called it. Alright, bet. So price got rejected. We're 3 minutes and 40 seconds on this candle, so we still can see rejection at this candle. This could be a false breakout. At the end of the day, this is a breakout though. Right here, this is a breakout. I think we're starting a new trend on this market because with this market, we've seen the market hit this. Sorry, this is compared to the other chart, by the way. We've seen the market hit around right here and then get rejected right here. So I think we're doing new trends in this market. Overall, all this was this stock or this Forex. I mean, this currency. Sorry, I'm so used to stock still. This currency. This was all that uphill, and then this is all this downhill. So we're just gonna see what this market wants to do. It looks good though. It looks like we have energy in this market, and we got rejected. Spoke too soon. What I say about that false bullish pattern, guys? Got rejected. Have to wait and see. Shut up. Alright, moving on. Back to the markets. Okay, 333. Okay, we got rejected at this line as I expected. I put that there earlier. Got rejected at this line. Oh, another false. So we had a false breakout to the top. Then we had a false breakout at the top. Came back down. Now we're having another false breakout to the bottom. This is just wild price rejection. It's honestly just a waiting game. We are getting rejected though, it looks like. And I'm expecting price to turn over any second as this price does. This currency does need to breathe. We're just waiting at the moment though. Super chill, laid back trading session. This is false. This is false. Price is curious on this market. Or this currency. Yeah. Price should be coming down. We're just waiting. Yeah, we need to see price go up and get rejected again. That's what we honestly need to see in this market right now. If this continues on a downtrend, it's more likely that it'll come sharper up on an uptrend. So regardless of what happens, if this price goes up, I'm staying in. We're just waiting. Sorry, I'm just not getting to the comment. Retrace on the candle stick. Trade BMX. Alright, we're seeing nice reaction right now. Price got rejected. It could have did it. I mean, it could still. This could be false. This could hit right here, then come up and do an evening star. Or I guess that would be a morning star. Morning star means it'll come down and then it'll. I mean, technically it's not going to come down. It's supposed to go straight up like that, but I don't know. That's irrelevant right now. Price is going up. I could honestly get into 2 trades. I could have got an entry down here. I was going for a sell trade on this when I realized that it was hello Simple Kate. Hello Sim Gleason. Hello Trey BMX. If you're still in here, what's up guys? We're just seeing price get rejected back to back. Our next level is going to be around here. Price got extremely rejected right here, so I should be scared when price is coming up to here. I have to wait and see what's gonna happen. And yeah, that's all we're waiting for. If price comes down right here, goes up, that's just what we're gonna have to do. Price is getting rejected right now. We have 3 minutes on this candle, so that's expected. But yeah, right here, like I said, price stopping at around this level. We can get rid of this line now. Thank you. That's so much better. Jeez. How do I... Regular. Okay. Great. Now I can see better. Okay. Price is getting rejected at this line. So we may see some type of uptrend from here. Yeah, that doesn't look good. That's a nice evening star right there. This isn't what we want to see. We want to see this keep going up and this keep going down. We're just waiting. Yikes, that looks bad for me. Maybe false though. This doesn't look like it's moving to the uptrend. Still. Yeah, what'd I say? Okay, yeah, we're just waiting, honestly. This is $4 worth of risk, by the way. This is $100 worth of profit. Okay, we're seeing a breakout at the level. We're seeing a nice breakout. We've broken out before. But the fact that we've broken out, went up, and then came back down is a good sign. Regardless of if we come back up again, it's still a good sign that we are willing to test this area. Yeah, we're just gonna wait. Shut up, bro. Price is getting rejected on this though. That's why we're seeing such large price action at this level. This needs to keep going up, so we may be seeing some type of rejection and then an uptrend. We'll just have to wait and see. Okay. Oh, I don't like that. That's an evening star, guys. Whenever you... Oh, no. It's okay. We'll just wait and see what's going to go down. That just means this is a common price rejection right here. Evening star, large bullish candle, doji at the top and then instant rejection, that usually means price means business, and price is going to get rejected. And that's exactly what's happening right here. We could see a morning star forming right here, and that would just mean more of a reaction to going up. And that's just simple price action. If you have any questions, y'all can post it in the comments. I don't care. I'll answer it. But I'm honestly pretty focused. Yeah, large price rejection. This is probably going to turn into bullish. Unless this turns. Could use this line as resistance. I mean support. What are we going to do? I feel like this is going to still shoot down. Like, this is such large price action. Anything can happen at this point. I gotta go get some water. I'll be right back.
Here's a simple passive income business that allows you to be free. You probably don't know about it, but let me tell you what you do know about. Billboards. Take a guess how much passive income a billboard like this one generates each month. 3 grand a month? 4 grand a month? Before you give an answer, I want you to think about something. Old school businesses like this one over here typically cost $50,000 to $100,000 a month just to set up. Not to mention taxes, maintenance costs. Physical businesses are a headache. But you know what's better? Online billboards like this one.
Oh god, an ad, guys, an ad. Oh, that's bad.
$1,000 a month of pure profit.
Okay, we're back. Yeah, so what's happening now is price got rejected at around this area. Now price has to retest and see what it wants to do from here. Normal. Price can very well do like this and hit my stop loss. I wouldn't be surprised if price did like that. And honestly, I'm ready for that. If that does happen, it's okay. But right now, it's just a waiting game. This is closing on a very strong candle. That would mean, let me turn this down while I'm here. We'll probably see some more. I mean, price could get rejected right now. Since price was so sharp to go up, price could be very sharp to go down. Price wasn't really keen on going up in the first place, so the fact that price is trying to go up may be enough for it to... I don't know, maybe I'm just spewing misinformation. We're just gonna wait and see. Phone is on the charger. Okay, what did I say, guys? Price is getting rejected. We got 3 minutes on that timer, though. Price could easily do a fake out, go down, then go back up. Just really mess with your emotions. That's what the market loves to do. Just toy with your emotions on an extreme level. Yeah, if that happens, I called it. I'm calling that price will go down, then shoot right back up. Make me happy, then make me sad. I'm just kidding. Seeing consolidation right around the zone. Honestly, the fact that this market went down so much, but this barely went up, is a really good thing, because the fact that this wick was so big to the downside, that made it to where this candle alone could eat most of this downtrend, and this downtrend means this is an uptrend. So the fact that this was going down means this is going up. That means that this entire candle is basically just this entire wick. It's pretty interesting price action for you guys. It's kind of confusing. I know I'm not that good at explaining it, but I'm trying my best. So we have 2 minutes on this candle. It could still retrace the top. I want to see what's going to happen. Maybe, I hope it doesn't wick. If it doesn't wick, then that's a strong sign that we're going to keep going to the downtrend or the downside. The fact that this is still going up with a Maribozel, pretty much a bullish railroad, it's a really good sign, guys. It's all a waiting game. I don't really know how to make this more interesting. I'm kind of just sitting here. Usually I don't even really talk whenever I'm trading. I usually just look and be quiet. But I do talk to myself sometimes. So this is kind of an excuse to talk to myself. Or really just wait in. That is nice price action right there. Bearish railroad. Railroads are my favorite price action. Let's see if we can find some while we're bored sitting here. Let's see. Bearish railroad, boom. A railroad is where like price goes like this, and then consecutive prices like that. This is a bearish railroad right here. Good explanation. This means price is going down, basically. Vice versa, if the right side is green, then it's going up. So I'll try to show you guys another demonstration of that. So, not really anything, really. Oh, right here is a good example. Pretty much. Price rejection. Oh, this is a really good one. Price rejection. And of course some are false like this. This isn't really one because it's not really matching, but anyways, this is not really a good explanation either. But yeah, you get the point. Right there kind of went up, got rejected. Doesn't mean what that doesn't mean for sure it's going to do that. It's just edge, honestly. Edge isn't 100% and nothing in this market is. That's why 95% of people fail, because they can't accept that. The little chumps. They're little chumps. Alright, price got rejected. I love this. Tight beat. I love this tight beat. I might have to stay up till like 1 or something to see what this is gonna do. I might hop out of this before I go to sleep. I don't really trust this to keep going. If we can get 1 subscriber, that would just be glorious. Alright, price is getting rejected at this area. Not too good of a sign. I may take a break and just let this run. Honestly, if this fails, then it's gonna fail. There's not much I could do. Price is getting rejected at an extreme level, so yeah, I might just let this run because I'm expecting this to just breathe right now and then maybe continue on later. But as of right now, not much is really going on. Yeah, so I'll probably just let this run and just catch up whenever I catch up. Be right here. I'm just gonna be playing video games on my phone, I guess. Let's see what happens. are we seeing, guys? Price reaction. Alright, so we've lost most of our momentum just now. We're going to see what happens going forward. And yeah, let it ride, guys. Let it ride. Always let your prices ride, regardless. You know the plan. If the plan sets in, then that's just the plan. If this goes up and hits my stop loss, that's just what's going to have to happen. Hey guys, we're just watching this price action unfold, seeing what's gonna happen now. Yeah, we're just waiting. Okay, price is getting rejected on going down. We've seen a doji on top of a now engulfing candle. That just means price will retest this level, maybe break this again. Again, we're holding. We're not letting go of this trade. We're just going to keep on pushing. Okay, so we're seeing consolidation at around 100 and almost 800. So maybe we can see this do a fall now. I don't know. All right, yeah, I don't know what I was saying. Consolidation, yeah, that's about it. I think that's false. I think it's going to keep going up. We're looking like an uptrend right now. It looks good, guys. Yeah, honestly, this is just going to be sitting. There's not much to really talk about as of right now. The stream's going good, I think. I like what I'm seeing. Yeah. consolidation is still underway. I'm honestly letting this ride as long as I can. Yeah, we're just gonna see how this goes. Regardless of if it comes up to my red, it's okay. Alright, I'm back. Hopefully you forget this time. I took a little break. Just playing video games, I guess. Letting this run. Not much I could do once it's running, so I usually just hop off the markets. Usually just do something else. But overall, this market is looking not too good on this chart. But overall, it's looking good on this chart. Yes, price is consolidating at an extreme level, but it is testing this new support that we found. Not this support, but the one below this. Just all this would be a heavy zone for this market to just configure. Overall, this market is having trouble breaking through this. So the fact that we saw this huge engulfing Maribosa candle is a good sign that we are in the right track of breaking this market. We are seeing more intense red than we are green, and I take that as a sign that we are going to keep going down. But as always, anything can happen, and you should be expecting that when you're trading Forex. We're seeing a reversal at the moment. That's okay. We expect that at the zone. That is to be expected. Maybe I'll get an entry on this as well. Price seems to be going down. I don't like how this is testing though. I don't like this. This looks bad. It could come down to this zone again. Break to this. Oops. No, how do we get back that favorites? Okay, so price is reacting at this zone at a very sharp level. Every time it hits, it comes back up. So all we need to do is just break the zone, and then bing bada boom, we're straight. But as of right now, it looks like we're testing some type of zone on this chart as well, and it's not looking too good for us. This line is pretty much irrelevant. We're mostly focusing on this zone right now. It looks like it'll break this zone and continue on to the downtrend. And if it keeps going on to the downtrend and breaks this, then that's bad news for us because we're not going to be able to profit from this trade, and we'll have to drop out of the trade. Overall, this market has gone down to the yellow. So we're just waiting to see, you know, price is going to keep going up on this chart and vice versa. We're expecting it. Consolidation. We're going through a consolidation period. Not much to it. We may end the stream soon, just because. There's not much to talk about, I feel like. We've been live for 2 hours now. Where did you put in question mark? The yellow line question mark? I am back. What is up? What happened while I was gone? Is anyone still in here? I need to be more attentive to the stream. We're honestly just waiting for price action. I have my retainers in now, so I'm gonna be a little lispy. Sorry about that. But since we've reached all the way up here, now that we're down and we're halfway, we can come up all the way here. And since we're down here, that means we'll be able to come down way further than we could before. That is the good thing about the index and how that kind of works, I guess. Honestly, just waiting, guys. Just looking at these markets, waiting for this price action to hit. We still have all this to come to, baby. Now, I know that might look like a lot because it is a lot, but that's first target. Second target is this. Now I'm gonna do a review of what's going on in the market right now, and then I'm gonna go AFK again. Not AFK so much as just let it run, I guess. I think I am gonna let this run all night. This live stream. I don't know. I'm not gonna be up. I'm just saying I might let it run just to record. But on the monthly, we see that price. So on the monthly, we see price is coming up, and price has been on an uptrend. So I was like, okay, bet. Price is about to hit sometime soon. So it's really hard to see. I'm sorry. Price came near this part. Came down. Let's try to see on the weekly. It's so hard to see. I'm sorry. I'm trying to do a review of this, but it's making it so difficult. But basically, we've seen that price is starting to get rejected. So now it's getting rejected again. And that was the reason why I got into this trade. And now we're in this. hard to do a review, but if you watch the beginning, you'll understand the analysis. I already went over all that. My analysis on the market is already put up, so I don't feel like explaining it again. But yes, we are still in this trade. We hopped out of this trade. These are both congruent to each other, and now we're just waiting on price action, and whatever the market wants to do, it's going to do. Again, it is just super chill. Now we can kick back and let that ride. If there's anyone new joining, I appreciate you joining. It's just super chill and waiting on price action.
the Explore tab on YouTube Music. Find new releases, playlists, and more in one spot.
We're still in this trade, guys. I know I'm kind of AFK at the moment, but I'm just letting it ride. guys, I think I'm gonna end the stream here. I had a feeling I was gonna let it run all night, but I'm just gonna end the stream. I'll continue in the morning. If this trade fails, I'll update you guys, and